Hey guys, today let's unbox this Wimpy Kid collection. This is available on Flipkart. Links will be provided in the description below. Do check that out. So this will cost you around 750 rupees. So now let's open it up. So this is the box itself. So guys, this is the box, the Wimpy Kid. And over here you can see the books. Jeff Kinney and nothing on the box. And this is the official price in dollars. So and you can purchase it online via official website www.wimpykidclub.co.uk. So yeah. So these are the books. Diary of a Wimpy Kid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and finally 12. So you will get 12 books with this. This will cost you around 750 rupees. All the links will be provided in the description below. Do check that out. So that's it for now for this quick unboxing of this Wimpy Kid collection. So thanks for watching. This is Balu and I hope to subscribe and see you in my next video.